These innocent monkeys had been starving for days, completely exhausted and barely able to move. They were so hungry that even walking had become difficult. Just then, a boy came along, and the moment he saw their condition, his heart melted. Without wasting a second, he opened his bag and started sharing food with these tired, helpless creatures. Their tiny hands were trembling from hunger, but the moment they received food, a sense of peace appeared in their eyes. Truly, the blessings of these voiceless beings reach straight to God, because real humanity is when you can hear someone's silent cries without them saying a word. Like and subscribe for this kind-hearted man.